So over here, you can see that in the media panel, I got some medias right here. Let me just go around over here onto the hamburger icon and then click on float panel so that I can go around and see the media panel over here in detail. So this is what I have. As you can see, I can go around and pull this out, and this is what you have. So now you can see that there are these files right here, and they have a certain name right here. So for your ease, what you can also do is you can go around and then rename out these files so that you can easily recognize them as you work around. This does not change the original file names of the files stored in your computer, but it will only rename out the files over here. So what you can do is you can right click over here, and here you can see rename is an option. If you were to go around and rename it over here, what you can do is you can go around and say, let's say for example, scene right here. And what happens is that that file has been renamed as scene. But if I were to go around and right click and then go around and open the file location, then what happens is that it opens the location of the file in the Explorer, and you can see that the name of the file itself has not been changed. It's only this, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around over here onto let's say for example, now close this out, you can see that it says Blues Infusion. So I can go around and then I can rename it. So on the media panel right here, what happens is that it is renamed. So I can go around and rename this right here, just like this, rename this and remove out the extension and so forth. Nothing happens, but it renames out the file right here. And you can make your files more organized in this way as well. And that is how you can go around and rename out the files in media panel to make it more organized as well. So over here you can see that arrange by name is an option. So if I were to go around over here, well, right now what you're seeing is you're seeing that everything is being arranged by name right here. So there's audio right here, there's the video right here, and all of them, the pictures right here, all of them are together, and everything is being alphabetically arranged. But if you want to go around and arrange them in, let's say for example, by file type, then you can go around and choose type right here. Then what happens is that picture comes first, as you can see right there, followed by audio, and then you have this as you can see right here, the videos, that is, they are still alphabetical in order, but you can see that the arrangement has changed out right here. So over here you can see that I am in the preview mode right here. You can also go around and view it in list mode as well. In this case, you don't see the previews, but you see everything in list. As you can see, you can still arrange by name and arrange by type right here, just like this. And over here, if I were to go around, you can see that small icon right here denotes that this is a picture and this is an audio and this is a video file right here. So that is what you have. You can go around, arrange by name or type. And another thing that you can do is you can use the group by option over here. Right now it's folders. So if you have folders, then you'll be seeing them in folders. Or what you can also do is group them by media. And once you do that, you can see that you got audio and video in one place and images in another place as well. So that is what you have as well. So if I were to go around onto preview mode, then you can see the preview mode, and on the list mode, you can see it in the list mode, just like this. So that is how you can go around and then rename out files in media panel, and then change out the way how everything is arranged, and then change out the media view inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.